country. To discuss this, we are now joined by Mr. Mahesh Palawat, Vice President and Meteorologist at Skymet. Mr. Palawat, thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us here on ET Now. What does the latest data suggest, and do you at Skymet have you officially announced the arrival of winter this year?
Yes, we have announced the winter has already arrived because single-digit temperatures are being witnessed over many parts of the country, particularly Ludhiana, Hisar, Sikar, Indore, Bhopal, and in Chhattisgarh also. Temperatures are in the range of say 7.5 to 9 degrees Celsius over these places. And reason being, recently we have seen a western disturbance dumping light to moderate snowfall over upper reaches of Jammu Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh on 10th of on 4th of November. Since then, there was no western disturbance, and winds, dry and cold winds from snow-clad mountains are blowing across many parts of the country, particularly light from Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, and up to Telangana and South Peninsula. So these cold winds will continue for another 4 to 5 days at least, because there is no western disturbance which will alter the flow of these winds. Therefore, we expect that cold wave conditions are also anticipated over parts of Madhya Pradesh in next 2 to 3 days, and some parts of say Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, and eastern parts of the country as well. Yeah.
Right, but if you can tell us, how has arrival of monsoon been versus last few years? Has it arrived earlier than normal, or is it on time?
Winters, not monsoon, this is winter arrival, is before time, because we have seen first snowfall on 2nd of October over Western Himalayas, and on 6th of October, there was widespread snowfall over upper reaches, covering almost 85% of upper reaches of Western Himalayas. Snowfall was also preponed. This year, we have seen in the month of October itself, in the beginning of October. Usually, snowfall or western disturbance start increasing in intensity and frequency by second half of November. But we have seen the temperature dipping below 10 degree in the first week of, or say second week of November itself. Therefore, we think that this will be an extended winter, because since last many years we have seen that winters are shrinking and there is no spring season. Spring season is almost vanished, and we are stepping right into the summer after winters. Yeah.
Okay, and what's the outlook for North India region, if you can take us through that, Delhi, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh in particular?
See, until unless there is a western disturbance which will approach the Himalayas, which we do not foresee for at least next 10 days. So the cold winds from snow-clad mountains will continue. However, there will not be a continuous drop of temperature, but yes, a marginal drop is anticipated in coming days, leading to cold wave to severe cold wave conditions. So whenever a western disturbance will approach, which is anticipated by after say 10 to 12 days, then the flow of northwesterly winds will cut off and wind direction will change from northwest to southeast. And there will be some clouding and temperature will start increasing. But after the passage of that particular western disturbance, fresh snowfall would be there and temperature will dip further. So we can say now the temperatures is going to fall further. But fog conditions will not be very intense over this northern plains and Indo-Gangetic plains for next 8 to 10 days until unless there is a winter rain. Yeah.
All right, so that's the outlook when it comes to the upcoming winter season. Thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us here on ET Now and helping us understand what the outlook is for the next few months.